Welcome to the Commercial Painting Authority podcast. I'm Nick Cole, and today we're exploring eco-friendly paint solutions that create healthier, high-performing workplaces. Low and zero VOC coatings are no longer niche, they're mainstream, and they can meet demanding commercial and industrial requirements. I'll unpack what VOCs are, where low VOC matters most, how to specify and apply correctly, and how to balance budget, performance, and sustainability. Volatile organic compounds are solvents that evaporate from paints, primers, and colorants. They drive odor, contribute to indoor smog precursors, and can irritate eyes, lungs, and the nervous system. Off-gassing doesn't stop when the paint dries, it tapers as the film cures. Choosing low or zero VOC products limits emissions at the source and supports indoor air quality improvements during and after projects. In southern New England, EPA coating rules apply alongside state rules in Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Hampshire, and Maine. Many specs reference SKQMD Rule 1113 as a strict benchmark. Low VOC systems can contribute to LEED v4.1 low-emitting materials, well air and materials features, fit well strategies, and green globes when products and colorants carry third-party verified VOC content and emissions certifications for compliance. Low VOC typically means under category-specific grams per liter limits. Zero VOC is usually defined as less than 5 GL. 100% solids epoxies contain no solvent carrier, so VOCs are effectively negligible. Watch tinting. Universal colorants can add significant VOCs, pushing a compliant base over limits. Specify factory-tinted or VOC-free colorant systems and list maximum GL by product category to avoid ambiguity in bid and submittals. Low and zero VOC solutions shine in sensitive or occupied environments, healthcare patient areas, biopharma labs and GMP corridors, food processing lines and packaging rooms, education, offices, retail, hospitality, and financial services. Reduced odor enables phasing without shutdowns, preserves brand experience, and protects vulnerable populations. In 24/7 facilities, faster reoccupancy and fewer after-hours ventilation needs translate into measurable schedule gains and lower disruption costs. Today's low-odor waterborne acrylics and hybrids offer excellent durability, scrub and abrasion resistance, and improved stain blocking. Waterborne epoxies and urethanes deliver chemical resistance and corrosion protection formerly reserved for solvent-borne systems. Still, high heat, immersion, or solvent exposure may warrant solvent-borne or 100% solids technologies. The key is matching exposure conditions, maintenance expectations, and warranties to the coating system's proven performance data. For industrial assets, consider waterborne epoxies and urethanes for machinery, walls, and ceilings. 100% solids epoxies or polyaspartics for floors requiring rapid return to service. Low VOC intumescent fireproofing on structural steel, elastomerics for weathered masonry, and potable water compliant linings for tanks where applicable. Match film build and cure schedules to production windows and confirm slip resistance, chemical splash tolerance, and cleanability for your process demands. Successful low VOC projects start with substrate evaluation. Identify existing coatings, check for contaminants, and perform ASTM D3359 adhesion testing and solvent rub checks. Select primers compatible with chalky substrates, glossy alkyds, or galvanized steel. Measure concrete moisture and vapor emission to avoid blistering. Use mitigation primers when needed. Document prep. SSPC-NACE standards, profiles, and cleaning methods set the stage for long-term adhesion success. Application matters. Respect temperature and humidity windows, and verify wet and dry film thickness against the data sheet. Track coverage, pot life, and recoat times. Forced air movement and HEPA filtration can accelerate curing while protecting adjacent areas. Choose equipment, HVLP, airless, or rollers, based on finish and containment. Low odor enables phasing, night or weekend shifts, and faster reoccupancy with fewer costly purge cycles. Let's get rolling on a quote today. Contact Arthur Cole Painting Corporation today by emailing estimatingacolepainting.com, calling 508-799-9019, or filling out our contact form at https://colepainting.com/contact to schedule a complimentary consultation and discuss your project needs. We will provide you with a detailed proposal outlining the scope of work, timeline, and competitive pricing. That wraps up our tour of low and zero VOC coatings. We covered what VOCs are, New England regulations and credits, how to interpret GL and colorants, where low odor matters most, performance realities, industrial options, prep, application, QA, and specs. Remember, select verified products, test substrates, plan ventilation, and document results. With the right partner, you can upgrade health standards, protect assets, minimize downtime, and meet sustainability goals without compromising appearance or budget.